Here comes the rain and my little girl. There you are. What are you going to do today?
I'm going to do a special poem.
A poem?
It's called Footprints.
Wow.
Remind me. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a child so small. I'm following in your footsteps, and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they're hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Someday when I'm all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I would have a little child who would want to follow me. Then I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. Happy Father's Day!
Yeah. Nice dress. Can you show me your dress? Is that new?
Yes.
Who gave it to you?
Then
Hi. Thank you for the poem.
Thank you.